So this video is going to focus specifically on integrating Jira to your instance of Agentia. And to do so, you'll click on your initials in the top right and then Account Settings. And we'll come down to the tab that says ALM Integration Settings. And we could toggle here between Jira or Azure boards. And the inputs that we need to put in are the username of, in this case, our Jira account, the base URL, and then lastly, the API token. And the way that you generate an API token in Jira is by coming to your initials in the top right, again here, and then we're going to click into Account Settings. And from the Account Settings, there's a Security tab up top. And inside of Security, scrolling down, we'll see this Create and Manage API Tokens link. And from within here, this is where you can generate an API token that you'll then input back into Agentia. And so we'll give this a name, and the farthest that you can extend this for is for a year. So I'll just come out a year, which is March 30th. And now we have our API key. I'll copy this and then head back to Agentia so that I can input this value. And really that is the entirety of the integration. You can determine if you want to mandate that these be the Jira settings for everybody else on the team using that checkbox here, but I'll click on Save. And now if I come back to the Work Manager, when I'm creating a work item, I have this option to fetch the Jira user stories or issues that I want to manually link to this work item. And so the dropdown will present to me all that are inside of my Jira account. It will automatically input a title for you, but you can modify that afterwards. And now I'll just select my pipeline and click New Work Item. And what we're going to see here is there's a section on the right that says Issue and Note. This is where the Jira information will reside. You could relink another Jira issue here. You'll see the status of the Jira user story. And if I come over to the Jira user story, here's the one that I've currently linked it to, the Agent 7 Account Rating Changes user story. And as you perform actions from inside of Agentia, they'll be logged here in the comments, such as, in this case, the initial linkage, or eventually, let's say that you deploy the changes somewhere, or you run static analysis on your changes against the work item. They'll be reflected here on the user story. And lastly, if I were to come up and update the status, let's say to in progress, we're going to see those changes get reflected in real time back on the Agentia work item.